So now let's see how we can copy sheets from one file to a different file inside of Google Sheets. So here you can see that I have this right here. So I got a bunch of sheets on the bottom. So let's say I want to copy out this sheet called shopping list into another file. So in order to do that, I can right click, and then over here you can see copy to is an option, and I have two options within it. So I can create a new spreadsheet, or I can move this into an existing spreadsheet. So let us go on to new spreadsheet and let's see what happens. So now it says sheet copied successfully. So I can open up the spreadsheet, and what happens is that there you go, a new spreadsheet is opened out with the sheet that we copied. And another thing that you can do is you can copy out the sheet to an existing Google Sheet file as well. And in order to do that, I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to copy to, and then I'm going to click on existing spreadsheet right here. So once I do that, you can see that this is what I have. And now you can navigate around to a sheet that you already have. Let's say I want to copy this onto the sheet called to-do list. So I'm just going to select this and click on select. So once I do that, it is copying out the sheet, and let's go ahead and open up the spreadsheet. And over here, you can see that this is the copy of the shopping list as another sheet right here, apart from the to-do list that we already have. And that is how you can copy sheets to different files inside of Google Sheets. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.